Hello friends, myself Manjusha. Today I explain to you chapter number 3, Introduction to GIMP. Before starting the chapter, GIMP is a image editing software. Previous also we are learned Photoshop image editing software. Now again GIMP is similar like a pen program, and in this GIMP software you will want to use some extra resizing the image, add the special effects also in there, manipulating, healing the image, blur, sharpness, anything all you will do in the GIMP software. GIMP is a full form of GNU image manipulating program. It is a free image editing program. GIMP can be downloaded using www.gimp.org.download. In this website through you are able to download the GIMP software. Now if in your computer, if you are install the GIMP software, if in the first screen will appear that is called GIMP interface. In this screen, GIMP interface or GIMP in Windows are presented. In that GIMP Windows, there are main 4 components are there. First one, upside, the like title bar, menu bar, and then beside in toolbox. Second option down to below the toolbox, tool option is there. Left hand side, various panels also presented, and in the center of this place that is called canvas, image window. Now in GIMP, GIMP, in that program you will want to creating new files. Nextly, creating a new file, click on file menu, select the new option. When you select the new option, create a new dialog box will appear. In that screen they are showing the new create a new image dialog box. They are having the first option, templates. You can select the pre-designed size using this drop down arrow. Next option, image size. In these sections you will able to define the customized size. They are having the width and height also in that parameter as well you able to select this unit. The unit of these parameters can be selected from the drop down, and they are having number of options like a pixel, inches, feet, but by defaultly pixels is the size of calculating the height and width. Now you will want to, after creating the files, you are able to save the files and open the files. Save these files and then you export this image to the different program also. Now the next point is using the toolbox and different tools. In toolbox provide the various tools to work with the image. It also display the options, customize the tools as desired. In toolbox we are able to see the current backgrounds tools also present, and foregrounds colors also is presented. Now one by one in that toolbox they are showing its number of different tools. I explain to you one by one tools, and then how we are using these tools in a text box. Some tools is samely we are previously using in MS Paint also, Tux Paint also, and Photoshop also. Then again there are tools repeatedly here. If you want to select the tools and selections modes purpose, you will using free from select tool and select tool. All these tools you will able to use. Now the first tool, that tool name is called rectangle tool, ellipse tool. Rectangle tool, ellipse tool. These tools allow to selecting a parts of an image in rectangular or elliptical form. You can change the rectangular corner. If you want to rounded corner also, you are able to change also. When you select the rectangle tool, that time in downside some different feather size, rounded corners options will present. You are able to use the change also. Next, beside the rectangle tool, the next tool will appear free select tool. These tools allow free-form selections by clicking the various points with the joint to make a desired shape. जो tools आपको select करना है कोई भी parts में, that time you use the free select tools also. Next, Fuse Select Tool. Fuse Select Tool. These tools select a contiguous regions in the image by sensations as similar in the colors also. This option you can set the thumbnails and sense the similar color in region. That time you will want to using the Fuse Selection Tool. Next, Select by Color Tool. Select by color tools is also presented red, green and blue small thumbnails icons is presented. It is used to all similar color in the entire image. Color sensations can be set by through the threshold option. Next one, Scissor Select Tool. This tool wrap the selection round the color pixel as a user by clicking on itself the selections irregular shapes like a cloud, face, tree, etc. will want to select it. That time you use the Scissor Select tool. Now if you want to selections any modes, selections modes is presented when you make a new selection, the previous selections go away by defaultly and you will need to add the current selections, subtract the current selections, overlap, intersect the correct selection. One by one, I explain to you selections mode in there. If we are select the rectangle, in their rectangle selections tools, in there having the 4 modes. First one, current add the current selection. This can be done by making a new selection while press the shift key on the keyboard. If you will want to another way, that time you will choose in the tool option second button is there. In their second buttons is a current selection option. Nextly, second is subtract from current selection. Subtract from current selection means you will making the new selection. That time you will press the control key on the keyboard. In key tool options in there modes options is third is there and you as you wish you select anywhere. Now third one, mode intersections with the current selection. Intersections of current selection is a third mode and that time if you will want to press the shift plus alter key or you will go on the options bar and press the fourth button in the mode choice. That time they are intersect the current select. After that, nextly in that new GIMP file we will want to use for create drawing and painting. That time we use the drawing and painting tool. Draw purpose in pen program also using the pencil tool, paintbrush. In there also in there having the pencil tools you use to draw a smoothly and paintbrush already you using it. Now next tool, bucket fill and gradients. Bucket fill is also allow the filling the selected color or patterns in the closed selections part. That time you will using threshold option and there you setting the color sensations from the filling, lower value, lesser color area. In that times different colors pattern should be present as you wish you can use it. Next number tool, airbrush and ink. Airbrush provide the pen spray like a drawing. Ink tool is also uses to stylish drawing. That time you use the ink tool also. Now nextly the fourth number tool is there, eraser and clone tool. Eraser tools you already you know. Eraser tool used to remove the undesired unnecessary parts of the image and clone tools is also you know. The clone tools already used in Photoshop also. Clone tool is used to clone the one parts of the image and stamp to the another part. That time you use the clone tool. And clone tool's purpose, you will want to using the control key, and where you will press it the control key, and where you will want to move from the another place, that time you relieve the control key, automatically that selected parts will be copy to the another. That time you use the clone tool. In that way, these all tools you using for drawing and painting. As you wish, you able to choose the tool and draw the image. After drawing the image, that image you will want to edit, या manipulate, या resizing, या you will want to remove the scratches anytime. That time is called image manipulations tools. You use it and you can remove it. Image manipulations tool allow to various way transformations, effects, and modifications in the drawing or images. Now, nextly, transformations way will want to edit. That time in mobiles also having this all number of options. Number one, move and rotate. Move all our tool you use from move the whole image from to the another around the canvas picture. Yeah, nextly, rotate tool. Rotate tool rotating the image or selections by desired degree. As you wish, you can rotate the 30 degree, 60, 45, 60, 90, and you will able to rotate also. Number third, scale, crop, share, and perspective. Scale tool allow the change the size of selected region. Those parts you can select it, you able to change the size. Nextly, crop tool. Crop tool is allow to remove the undesired parts of the image. Those parts you don't want to. You will select these parts and then you press the delete, press the enter key, and selected regions will be cropped. Script tool. This tool destroying an image or selected regions in the form of parallel line. You will press the enter key, apply the sharing. Now last one, perspective tool. Perspective tool is change the perspective of an image or selected regions. Now the wrap, transform, and flip. Wrap transform tool allow to applying the wrap effect on the selected region. Wrap transform and flip, last one, flip tool. Flip tool is means flipping, turn around the selected region. As you wish, you can turn horizontal or vertical. In previous Photoshop also lessons you learn healing, blur, sharpen, smooth, broaden, burns. In all these options, healing tools you use it for remove the remove the old remarks also purpose. And blur is used to blur the selected area. Sharpen means reverse the of blur. Smooth tools is used to mix the color of an image. That all these you will want to healing the images. That time you use the healing tool. Healing tools is allow, yeah, press the control key and those parts you can select it, pick the color, and where you will want to healing. Skin colors in the Photoshop most they are removing by wrinkle and they are healed. Nextly, blur and sharpen tool is used to blur the desired parts of the image and mix well adjacent color. Sharpen is the reverse of the blur of the colors and you will able to do it. Smooth tools is used to mix the or blend the color in the region. You will want to mixing the color on the wet painting. See the image of the cloud before in that image, and then you will able to filling the original applying. Now darken and burn tool is allowed to darken or for lighting the colors in the region and burn or darkening the colors of the image. जब आपको वो पिक्चर्स में कुछ डार्क करना है तब आप क्या करेंगे, बर्निंग कलर यूज़ करेंगे, और लाइट करना है तो ड्रॉप पेन यूज़ करना है. Now, whatever the coloring changes and modification will done, if those parts will want to cut, copy and paste, that time you use the edit menu and cut, copy, paste. Already you know cut purpose, you use the shortcut key Control plus X. If you want to copy, Control plus C. Yeah, you will go on the edit toolbar, select the cut option. For those option parts you will want to cutting from that original image, you able to cut it. If you will want to copy to the another location, that time you will using the Control plus C. And paste purpose, pasting the image to the another place, that time you will using the Control plus V. But in this here having the variety of pasting option. Number one, select simply paste. Simply you will want to paste, you already you know Control plus V shortcut key use and contents will be pasting. Yeah, pasting in the place. Pasting in the place you will want to using the shortcut key Control plus Alt plus V. This paste copied or content right over the copied region, and it need to use the move tools, and then tool will be pictures will be moved to the around. Second one option is third one option is a paste into selection. Paste into selection means you will go on the edit menu, select the paste option, and then you will selected those parts will be pasting your copy to the contents parts. Now third one, paste into selection in a place. Go on the main edit toolbar, select the paste option. Then what happened, those parts will be copied. That part we will inside of the current selections part, thereafter will be copied to the another. And next one, paste as. Paste as means they are pasted as it is image or layers or brush or pattern to the another location. In that way, in their GMIP program, pasting the pictures in different ways. Now in that program also you are able to creating the layer, and layers for which reason you are created. An image can have more than one layers stack, and one or more drawing or object you will want to insert, that time you are able to insert the layer. Layers is a very effective, make the editing management the complex image very easily. How you are creating the layer? You are to creating the layers, you can go on the layer panel in window menu, select the layer option, and as you wish you create the layer. You will want to creating or deleting a layer. Creating or deleting layers, you will go on the layer panel and click the create new layers button. Or if you want to unnecessary layers you are selected, that time unnecessary layers will want to delete or remove in that file, that time you can use the delete layer button in their same option, the same dialog box layer panels they are presented, and you will confirm the configuration they will ask to you. You will want to delete, you can select the delete. Beside the layers, in there they are having the different option, hiding and unhiding layers. Hiding and unhiding layers means what? Layers beside some small thumbnails they are showing its one eye. In the layer panel, note down beside each layers they have their icon eye. This means the layer is visible, and if the layer will want to hide, that time the toggle options you will again click, that layer automatically will be hidden. In that way you will able to hide and unhide the layer. Now next one, locking and unlocking layer. Locking layer means you can't be edit until if the unlock. जब लॉक करे वाला रहेगा वो सिम्बॉल्स पर लॉक बताएंगे और वहाँ पर स्लैश आएगा, तब आप कुछ उसको चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू अगेन प्रेस इट देन अनलॉक होता है, तब यू एबल टू beside the layers will be present and you able to edit also. Now the nextly, merging layers and merging layers and flattening image. adjacent layers in the layers. Two layers will want to merge. That time we'll click their merge drop down options, and flattening the image means all the layers are merged into the single layer. That time into the background, and flattening is done when the final image is created. Flatten an image once can be saved. You can't be and filleted back separate layer. That time you will think it, and then afterwards you click on the select the flatten an image. Now in that chapter, last point, applying filter. Applying filter. Filter option means what? Filter means special effects we want to apply and the image. That time we will choose the filter image, yeah, filter. We already learn in Photoshop also. We will want to apply the filter. In there also have the filter menu. Select the filter. Different options will be appear. As you wish, you select the as you choose the filter, and then you can filterize the image. In that way, in this chapter we already learn in GIMP will